Ever had those days when all you want is a warm, gooey brownie, but you are missing that perfect dollop of whipped cream? Well, worry not. I am Hannah, and today I am going to rescue your dessert dreams with a simple tutorial on making heavenly homemade whipping cream. Let's turn those brownie fronds upside down. Step 1, Introduction to Ingredients. Let's kick things off with the ingredients. You will need heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. Using quality ingredients makes all the difference, so choose the best you can find. Step 2, Chilling Equipment. Before we begin, make sure your mixing bowl and beaters are well chilled. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect whip consistency. Step 3, Measuring Ingredients. Measure out 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Accurate measurements are the key to the success of our whipping cream. Step number 4, Combining Ingredients. Pour the heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Add the powdered sugar and then gently pour in the vanilla extract. We are creating a symphony of flavors here. Step number 5, Whipping Process. Now let's get whipping. Start at a low speed to avoid any cream splatters. Gradually increase the speed as the cream thickens. Keep a close eye on it. We are aiming for soft peaks. Step number 6, Checking Consistency. Stop the mixer and check the consistency. Soft peaks means the cream is smooth and velvety. Be cautious not to overmix. We want a light and airy texture, not butter. Step number 7, Storing whipped cream. Once you have achieved the perfect consistency, transfer the whipped cream to an airtight container and refrigerate. It can be stored for up to 24 hours, but let's be honest, it's so delicious that it probably won't last that long. If your cream is not thickening, ensure that your equipment is well chilled and that you are using heavy cream with at least 36% fat content. Also, avoid adding sugar too early. It can hinder the whipping process. And there you have it, a simple and foolproof method for making homemade whipping cream. For more delightful recipes and kitchen tips, visit blogginggoodfood.com. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious content. Happy cooking, and I will see you in the next video.